When we come to the college, it doesn't feel like we're going to the college. Like if I wake up in the morning, I don't think like, oh, I'm going to the college. I think like, oh, I'm going just a place where I feel like home again.
So I think one of the specific things that shines out when you research about CGMC is it's not just journalism, it's journalism and mass communication. So I think that's a very big advantage because you're not just learning journalism, you're learning about advertising, you also learn about public relations. Then you also get to try your hand at video production, broadcast as well. So even if you don't know what it is that you're going to go ahead with in your career, you get to try everything.
All the professors, they're all industry experts. They bring the real world experience into your classroom.
When we come to college, it's like it's opening of the mind. We learn so many things and we understand there are different perspectives to everything. And that actually boosts our learning.
This semester we're doing TV journalism. Although there's a lot of running around and you need to talk to a lot of people, you get tired, but then you're still having fun because we are not talking to people who are within our network. We talk to people that are completely unrelated to us and we get to contact them, we network with them, we set up a place to meet. So that is a real life project. We're creating a broadcast story very much how it would be in the real world.